Hello there shoppers, it's Amy and I could not be more thrilled to show off this beautiful mirror. You guys, this is a mirror that you can use in bathrooms, in hallways, in your bedroom, as a vanity. You name it, it is a beautiful, gorgeous, modern mirror for any room in your home. In my case, I use this across the wall, like in my dining room. I have a kind of a little bar cart right here. Mirror goes on top, looks amazing, and I'm telling you, it reflects all of that light from across my room. So I instantly just have a bigger, brighter, more luminous space. Mirrors can make your rooms look so much brighter, bring in more natural light. Basically, all of that light from those windows, it's doubling it, so my home is instantly brighter, and it also makes everything look just so much more open and bigger. So believe me, you guys, the easiest way to transform a room and upgrade your home is to get a big, beautiful, high quality mirror. As far as this one goes, I love it for several different reasons. One, the clarity is perfect. There is zero distortion. It is just absolutely a gorgeous, gorgeous mirror that is, it screams quality from every single angle, no matter where you're looking in the room. It is pristine. It's got a bit of an edge on the side, metal on the outside. I believe that there are rectangles and also ovals, so you can choose the shape that best fits your home. As far as installation goes, I know everyone is always wondering, like, okay, that looks great, but how do I put it up? I am not handy. I was nervous about it, but you guys, I put this up super fast. It was so easy. All you do is you put in like a pilot hole into the wall, and you put in the drywall anchors, then you'll put the screw, and it comes with this really convenient bracket. I will show you on screen. So that way you put the bracket up and you hang the mirror, because there's a little edge on all sides of the mirror. You just hang it right on there. Super sturdy, super, super easy. Believe me, anyone can do it. What I also like about those brackets is, for example, this is hanging across a bracket. So if I need to, like for say, like maybe it's a little too close to one side or the other, all I have to do is shift the mirror really, really easy. I don't have to drill all new holes. So that makes just the pressure of, putting up a mirror, drilling holes in your wall so much less, because it's way, way, way easier. So easy to adjust. So easy to have it exactly like how you want it. Speaking of that, like I said, since it has that really cool bracket and the cool ledge on each side of the mirror, this means that you can put this up either horizontally or vertically, basically whichever fits your space. Obviously, my space called for it being vertical, but if you needed to put it somewhere else, horizontal, it works just like that. Again, you're not gonna find a better HD, zero distortion mirror that has this gorgeous metal frame, super modern, super minimalist, goes with every single decor, and it's just gonna be the easiest way to upgrade your home, elevate it, bring in more light, make it look larger, which is just so huge. And again, you can use this in any room in your home. It's perfect bathroom mirror. If you are doing a bathroom overhaul, believe me, get rid of those old school mirrors. So much of them have so much distortion. A lot of times they're really cheap, they're big, they're overblown. Replace those big distorted mirrors with something that is super high quality like this, and your bathroom is just going to look instantly more expensive, instantly elevated, really, really gorgeous. This is something that you can use, again, not just in the bathroom. I have it right here in my dining room. You can use it in your living room, in your bedroom, as a vanity. The list goes on and on and on. It's great in your entryway just to immediately bring light and space and just kind of trick the eye into thinking that your home is larger than it is if you put this in an entryway. I absolutely love this. So easy to put up. Completely blown away with the quality of the materials, quality of the mirror, clarity, and just how beautiful this mirror is. I know you guys will too. I'm going to put all the information for you below. Definitely check it out and get to shopping. Adios amigos.